Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically change where your save file is on CapCut PC. So just go to menu and select select back to homepage because you need to go back to your homepage. Go to settings and go to settings again and select save to. And here is where your file will be saved in. So it's currently in my D drive. But if like your drive is full, you can move it. Like you can select another folder, for instance, like select this. Then you're going to press select folder and then you're going to press save. And it also goes with the material download as well. It does take quite a big space. Then you're also going to select auto delete cache, or you can just delete the cache straight away here. But it does like reload the stickers and effects. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to then press save. But it does help clear out some files on your disk. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!